Alright, so I managed to get a lot done today. Looking at it, took the throttle body off, or the intake manifold off last night. This morning I cleaned out the idle air control, gummed out throttle body cleaner, the entire inside of everything in there. Got it out as best I could. Installed, got it all back together. Got the power steering pump on, down in there, screwed in nice and tight. I'm a little low on fuel. Yeah, I just didn't order enough, that's all. But I can get some more, but it's holding. It's holding. Drove it around a whole bunch, turned the wheels left and right as far lock to lock as much as I could, and I still only have, I haven't lost any. So this one, all I did was bend it out straight, whatever. Anyways, fuel pressure regulator, adjustable, which I just realized I have a fucking hole. Cute. Means I need to put my hood. I need to put my hood spacers on. Damn it. Because fuel pressure sucks. And as I'm driving around, I realized that this washer failed. I had to take it off to put it back on. It failed the first time. It was shooting out like crazy. Relieved the pressure, lost, I don't know, a bunch of fucking fluid. And then I harvested one off the old one and threw that on there, and it's holding pretty good, but it's still got a little bit coming out, so I need to go get some. But my garage door won't close. So I'm gonna deal with that right now. But I just wanted to get this done. So yeah, what I'm looking at is a power steering fix. Got my strut tower bar on. These do not line up. They come super close, but they do not line up. So if you have a sedan, EF sedan, the 3-point does not line up. This is an energy bar. It just got a bunch of other stickers on there. Yeah. So, yeah. Got that all back on there, all back together. Power premium pump. I did do the new distributor today. Brand new NGK spark plugs, wires. Beck Arnley distributor. Got it timed out. It's still running a little slow, so I advanced it a bit. But I think that's. Managed to strip quite a bit of paint on here with the gum out. If you want to get rid of paint, definitely use gum out, whatever it's called. Yep. Having a bit of a throttle plate issue. It wasn't landing correctly. I didn't have it too tight. Kept loosening it and tightening it and loosening it and tightening it, and after a while I just got it just right to where it clips back. Yeah. That's about where I'm at. Like I said, quick little update. Nothing crazy. Didn't get anything done. I had a little Marv's, got all the coolant bubbles out. There is no more idle problem in there, so I haven't come across one yet. And the power steering pump holding, so I'm really glad about all that. As far as these guys, it still looks a little weird under this light. You can't really see it all that great. It looks a little more true. It's like a dark, still darker than that. It's a nice dark maroon. Yeah, nice burgundy. There's too much blue light, so it keeps trying to cover it. Yep, that's about that. All right, I think that's pretty much all I did today. All right, I'm ready to go. There you are.